Is watching TV good for sleep? Like many things, whether something is good for you depends on the situation. In terms of watching television, watching those shows that you love and that are familiar to you, what we call comfort TV, may actually help you to relax. Doing so may help you escape from ruminating or focusing too much on your worries. In this way, watching television may actually help with stress, which has been found to contribute to poor sleep. Remember too, that sleeping in front of the television is not a good idea, because the light it emits leads to poorer sleep. For the same light exposure reasons, it is better to watch TV earlier in the evening or during the day. In addition, remember to keep the television out of the bedroom and to turn off tech at least an hour before bed. With streaming services, it is important to be mindful of watching too much television in one sitting. Binge watching may prove problematic if it begins to interfere with living your daily life. If you are finding that you are using television to avoid constructive ways of managing stressful situations, then watching TV may be influencing stress or mental health in negative ways. Some argue that binge watching can actually be a form of addictive behavior. In this case, use stress management techniques rather than television when you find yourself stressed. Also, if you notice that watching certain shows or news channels provokes a stress response, consider watching these earlier in the day, such as in the morning or during the day on the weekends. It may even be beneficial to change your viewing preferences. Keeping this information in mind, do go ahead and watch television. We certainly have our favourite television shows and series. What are yours?